Welcome to Pong AI Zone channel. Let's be real. Making money on YouTube can feel complicated, right? Editing, scripting, recording, it's a lot. But what if I told you there's a way to create engaging videos without ever turning on a camera? That's right. With AI, you can now generate high-quality content in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. If you love saving time and building income streams with smart tools, hit subscribe now. And don't miss the end. I'll show you one trick that most creators still don't know about. No editing, no talking, no stress. Just a simple process that's helping creators go viral today. Step 1. Go to Gemini for script. You need to choose a topic for your video. For example, methods to increase personal productivity in work and study. Then, ask Gemini to write the script for you. Step 2. Go to VideoGen. Head over to https://videogen.io via equals PO85 ? And create an account. If it's your first time here, click that sign up button in the top right corner. You can even sign in with Google to save a few steps. Once you're inside, it takes you straight to the dashboard where we can start creating a video. Step 3. Create your video. Click this button and just type your keyword into the search bar right in the middle of the screen. Step 4. Customize your video. Choose the video length. You can go with 300, 600, or even longer scripts. Shorter ones usually perform better, especially on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Select your language. They've got English, Spanish, and more. Pick a voiceover, male or female, calm or energetic. Step 5. Copy and edit the script. You just need to copy the script written by Gemini, then paste it in this section. And if you want to change some details of the script, you can edit it again. Step 6. Generate your video. Now click that big Create Video button. AI VideoGen will do all the heavy lifting, adding visuals, voiceovers, syncing everything together. Just wait a few minutes and boom, you've got a full video ready to go.
To increase personal productivity in work and study, you can apply some simple but effective methods. First, try the Pomodoro technique.
Step 7. Download and upload. Once your video is ready, you can download it in HD or even 4K quality. Then just upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. Make sure to write a catchy title and description and include SEO keywords to help it get discovered. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Pong AI Zone, and drop a comment if you want the prompt templates or tool links. See you in the next one. I'll show you another tool that makes content creation even easier.